Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows error that some of settings are hidden or managed by organization on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that go to search menu and type notepad. Open it. Go go and check my video description for this words used in my video guys. You just need to copy my description text used in my video. You just need to copy it and right click it and paste it in a new notepad. We just search menu and take it. Just need to click on file and click save as. I'm gonna do in desktop, and file name you just need to highlight fix dot bat. Select the test document to all files and select save, and that has been saved in desktop. You just need to double click on it guys, and that's been done. After getting done, you just need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. Go to start menu and restart your PC guys. Make sure you restarted, and after restarting your PC you can able to delete this guys. This is now that's don't need it, and go to search menu. After that go to search menu and type edit group policy. Edit group, open it. In here you need to computer configuration, administrative templates, expand it and go to Windows compounds, expand it and search for Windows compounds, search for data collection and pre-builds. You just need to click on it. On right side you need to allow diagnostic data. Double click on it and you just need to select enabled and select send requested diagnostic data to send optional this diagnostic data. Select it and just need to click apply and OK guys. After doing this, don't want to close this guys, just minimize it and go to search menu and type PowerShell. Click run as administrator guys. For that right click on it, click run as administrator and click yes. Now in here you need to type gp, wait for it, gpupdat gp update space slash f gp update space slash force guys. gp update space slash force, press enter. So this will updating group policy editor guys. Wait for it to complete it, and after completing this just to minimize it and go to edit group policy again and double click on the allow diagnostic data. The same way you just need to do it and select not configured and apply and OK. After doing this, just need to close out of here, and you just need to do another one thing guys, as same thing in Windows PowerShell, gp update space slash force, gp update space slash force, press enter. Wait for it, guys. And now you just need to close out of here and restart your PC, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.